Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a flashlight so tough it could probably survive a zombie apocalypse and still have some battery left over. Meet the Olight Warrior Ultra, your new best friend when darkness thinks it can win. Spoiler, it can't. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Alright, let's hit the big points real quick. The Olight Warrior Ultra is an absolute powerhouse, throwing out 2500 lumens with a beam that reaches up to 350 yards. That's 3.5 football fields of pure domination. It's built like a tank, thanks to its Olight exclusive aluminum, meaning scratches, drops, and rough mission don't even make it flinch. It's similar to other Olight Warrior flashlights, but this one is sleeker and more durable. Now let's see this bad boy in action. Turbo mode is 2500 lumens with 350 yards throw and 2.5 minutes of runtime before it steps down. High mode is 800 lumens and 168 minutes of runtime before it steps down. Mid mode is 200 lumen with 13 hours of runtime. Low mode is 15 lumens with 130 hours of runtime. And moonlight mode is 1 lumen with 55 days of runtime. And the strobe mode is 2500 lumens. Whether you're checking the perimeter, rescuing your dog, or just flexing at your neighbor, this thing doesn't just light up the night, it owns it. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. You get the Olight Warrior Ultra, beautiful holster, magnetic charging deck, and the manual. And as far as for the design, this one is made with Olight exclusive aluminum. It's basically the Chuck Norris of aluminum alloys. It's nearly twice as strong as the 6061 stuff everyone else is using. Dings, scratches, 2-meter drops, the Warrior Ultra just laughs at it and keeps shining. With a magnetic tail switch, you can quickly turn on the light for momentarily or consistent lighting. It also features 2 modes, a tactical or everyday mode, to fit all your needs. And you can easily work hand-free by attaching it to any metal surface. And a knurled body and tail switch for that secure and tactical grip. It's also IPX8 rated water resisting. The Warrior Ultra nails it with oversized side switch, easy to hit even with the gloves on. And the low profile helps to prevent accidental activation. The green lights on the right side of the side switch is the battery indicator light, but the one on the left side of the side switch is the mode indicator lights to let you know which mode you're on. And it even have a smart proximity sensor that dims the beam when you get too close to something, because burning a hole in your jacket is less tactical. Let's be honest, half the fun is looking good. With clean lines, aggressive style, and jagged stripe bezel that's ready for glass breaking or emergency situation. This thing isn't just tough, it's art. Rugged art. And it's easy to carry around by using the metal clip to attach it to your belt, backpack, or use the included holster. And of course the battery is a massive 5000 mAh battery. You're looking at 55 days of runtime on the moonlight mode. That's almost 2 months of telling your friends that you're prepared better than them. It's rechargeable by a magnetic charger that's attached to a tail light button. So no more exposed charge ports that can be damaged easily. Just snap it on and charge. And the precision macro engraved battery indicator is discreet so you won't get spotted when checking your battery level and let you know exactly when it's time to juice up. No guessing, no surprises, and no darkness. And now for the operation guide. The Warrior Ultra has the ability to be used with either the side switch or the tail switch. To turn it on and off, simply press the side switch. To use the moonlight mode, while the flashlight is off, press the side switch for 1 second. To use the turbo mode, double press the side switch. And if you want the strobe mode, press the side switch 3 times. To cycle through the other power outputs, press and hold the side switch. You will get low, mid, and high, back to low. To lock it and unlock it, press the side switch for 2 seconds. The green light indicators, the one on the left side, is the mode indicator. 1 green light means it's on the moonlight or the low mode. 2 green lights means it's on the medium mode. 3 green lights means it's on the high mode. And 4 green lights means it's on the turbo mode. The flashlight will be in everyday mode right out of the box. Press the tail light lightly for medium mode. Press it lightly and hold for momentarily medium mode. Full press the tail light for turbo mode. Full press and hold for momentarily turbo mode. And to switch to the tactical mode, press the tail light and the side switch. The tactical mode will give you momentarily access to the turbo mode and the strobe mode. By pressing the tail light half press and hold, you will get the turbo mode. And by pressing full press and hold, you will get the strobe mode. And once you release it, it will turn off. And to get back to the everyday mode, press the tail switch then the side switch. Okay, here's my take on the Olight Warrior Ultra. It's not just a flashlight, it's a serious tactical gear that somehow managed to be both rugged and refined. If you need a flashlight that's tough enough for patrol duty, emergencies, or even zombie invasion, well, you never know. But smart enough to protect itself and efficient enough to run for nearly 2 months, this is the flashlight that you want strapped to your belt. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.